I was just doing some voiceover for my edits and here how it goes. Guys, अभी मैं कॉलेज से आई हूँ एंड थोड़ी देर मैंने चिल किया, थोड़ा सा खाना खाया एंड अभी मैं आ चुकी हूँ ऊपर. मुझे कुछ वीडियो एडिट्स करना है, वो एडिट करने के बाद मैं मिलती हूँ आपसे. And you won't believe, so this year I'm completely focusing on each day because it's my 19th year this time and it's my last teen year and I want to make it super hustling that I remember my every teenage year. Like every teenage year of my life is so special and this teen year will also be special with so much hard work. So let's do it. Here I'm cleaning my room. It needed cleaning for so long and now it's very late in the evening. I am studying right now because with that I am writing to-do list for tomorrow as well and the lighting is a little style bit livid. And skincare time. If you want to grow your eyelashes, use badam oil. It's so good. Guys, finally waking up at 4. Literally सब सो रहे होते हैं and you are waking up and doing your chores, your work. It's so productive. आप देख सकते हो पूरे lights, पूरा अंधेरा and I was here woken up so good. Eating this oats breakfast. It contains overnight soaked oats and milk, banana जो अभी मैं freshly cut करके डालती हूँ, and so much of nuts like walnut, almond, and then berries, the dried berries in the packet, and then add in the milk, let it soak, and it tastes so good. It's full to healthy. I will recommend you must. I just removed my makeup, whatever that kajal is, it's by Blue Heaven, something like that, and you can see it doesn't go off, guys. It doesn't go off and whole your eye gets so black. Now you can't see it that much because very roughly I have cleaned it because I had no option. I had to work and I have shoots to do, so I had to do it, but it's like full to water. So let's get back to work right now. Hey guys, so right now I'm on my terrace and I'm editing this vlog right here, and for this vlog I'm going to end it right now and I will see you in the next Hustle with C. For more, please subscribe and stay tuned.